Hey guys, sorry it was so long since our last video. Just been busy and haven't had much time to record. But here we are today over in development, Buckhorn Springs. We're here to do a 3-car driveway today. Guys gonna have us back in a week or two to do the pull cage in the back, but let me show you what we're working on today. Take a look at what we got. There's a sidewalk from there down. Got all this algae here coming down from the rain gutter. Got a walkway going up. Sorry about that, we had the homeowner come out for a minute. But anyway, so we got this side, the driveway. There's some rust stains here. We'll see what we can do with that. We'll get it knocked out real quick. Alright guys, we're all done here. Let's take a look, see how it came out. Oh yeah. Well, that's gone. All that black stuff out of here. Yep. Okay, well thanks for joining us. If you're liking these videos, please don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you ring the notification bell, then you'll let you know every time we get a new video posted.